Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common type of shoulder dislocation? The correct answer is anterior. Anterior dislocation is the most common type of shoulder dislocation, accounting for over 95% of cases. சரியான பதில் 95%. Question 2. Which primary malignant bone tumor is most commonly seen in adolescents and young adults, often affecting the metaphysis of long bones? The correct answer is osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is the most common primary malignant bone tumor in adolescents and young adults, typically arising in the metaphysis of long bones. சரியான பதில். Question 3. The most common causative organism for acute hematogenous osteomyelitis, especially in children, is The correct answer is Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus is responsible for the vast majority of cases of acute hematogenous osteomyelitis, particularly in children. சரியான பதில். Question 4. Which of the following is a characteristic radiological feature of tuberculosis of the spine, Pott's disease? The correct answer is disc space narrowing with vertebral body destruction. Pott's disease typically involves the destruction of vertebral bodies and the intervertebral disc space, leading to kyphosis. சரியான பதில். Question 5. The primary pathological hallmark of osteoarthritis is the degeneration of which tissue? The correct answer is articular cartilage. Osteoarthritis is characterized by the progressive breakdown and loss of articular cartilage, leading to joint pain and stiffness. சரியான பதில். Question 6. As per recent news, which city hosted the Jagannath Rath Yatra, commencing from Sitara grounds and culminating at Gundicha Mandir? The correct answer is Vijayawada. The Jagannath Rath Yatra in Vijayawada recently commenced from Sitara grounds and concluded at Gundicha Mandir. சரியான பதில். Question 7. According to recent reports, who jointly secured the highest score in the NEET-UG 2026 re-exam? NEET-UG 2026. The correct answer is Aryan Gupta and Panchul Bansal. Aryan Gupta from Punjab and Panchul Bansal from Haryana jointly topped the NEET-UG 2026 re-exam. சரியான பதில். NEET-UG 2026. Question 8. Which central government hospital was designated as the nodal facility for emergencies and health checks for hunger strikers, as per recent government alert? The correct answer is Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital was designated as the nodal facility for health checks and emergencies related to hunger strikers. சரியான பதில். Question 9. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire in ancient India? The correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya Empire in ancient India around 322 BCE. சரியான பதில் 322. Question 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the concept of a uniform civil code? The correct answer is Article 44. Article 44 of the Directive Principles of State Policy states that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. சரியான பதில் 44. 44. Question 11. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? The correct answer is Karnataka. Karnataka is the largest coffee-producing state in India, accounting for over 70% of the total production. சரியான பதில் 70%. Question 12. In the context of the Indian economy, what does the repo rate primarily signify? The correct answer is the rate at which commercial banks borrow money from the RBI. The repo rate is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lends money to commercial banks in the event of any shortfall of funds. சரியான பதில் RBI. Question 13. Which cellular organelle is primarily responsible for generating most of the supply of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, used as a source of chemical energy? ATP? The correct answer is mitochondrion. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell because they generate most of the cell's supply of ATP through cellular respiration. சரியான பதில். Question 14. The process by which toxic substances accumulate in increasing concentrations in organisms at successively higher trophic levels is known as. The correct answer is biomagnification. Biomagnification is the increase in concentration of a substance, such as a toxic chemical, in organisms at successively higher levels in a food chain. சரியான பதில். Question 15. What is the largest gland in the human body? The correct answer is liver. The liver is the largest internal organ and gland in the human body, performing a wide range of functions. சரியான பதில். Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.